From part 1 of the question, we have worked out a to be minus 6 and b to be equal to 4. So the equation is going to be this to the power of 4, 3x cubed. A is minus 6, so x squared plus x. And b is 4, so this is equal to 0. That means we are working on an equation that is 2x to the power of 4 plus 3x to the power of 3 minus 6x squared minus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0. And from part 1 of the question, we do know already a quadratic factor. So let's try to re-express this first. Taking this expression, I'm going to let 2x to the power of 4 plus 3x cubed minus 6x squared minus 6x plus 4 to be equal to the quadratic factor from part 1 of the question, and that is 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 multiplied by another quadratic factor, because this is x to the power of 4. So since this is x to the power of 2, this must be an expression that is of a quadratic format. This is 2x to the power of 4, this is 2x to the power of 2, which means that here it is going to be x squared as the highest, 1 is going to be the coefficient of the highest power of the quadratic factor here. The constant term here is 4 and this term here is minus 2. So the constant term for this quadratic factor got to be minus 2. What we do not have is this term in the middle. I'm going to call it plus ax. And I'm going to attempt to solve for a. To do that, I'm going to substitute a value into this equation over here. There's no convenient value that I can see, so I'm going to just try for a nice value. Maybe x is equal to 1. So I'm going to let x be equal to 1. On the left hand side, it is 2 plus 3 minus 6 plus 4 is equal to, this will be 2 plus 3 minus 2 and 1 plus a minus 2. This will actually work out an a that is equal to 0, which means that this equation here can be factorized into this multiplied by x squared minus 2. So from here, this will become this 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 multiplied by x squared minus 2 is equal to 0, which can be factorized further. So this is, if I were to factorize this, is 2x minus 1 and x plus 2. Factorizing this, this is x minus square root of 2, x plus square root of 2 is equal to 0. Because I apply the a square minus b square, will be a minus b and a plus b. So what I will get is x to be equal to minus 2 minus square root of 2 half or square root of 2.